Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. I'm excited. I just got a new toy that's just got delivered, and it's here behind me. Ooh, there it is. This one. That one was the earlier one, which came earlier this year. Now, I want to share with you what it is. Yeah, basically, when we want to work out, it would be good to have a pair of dumbbells. It is not necessary, but it would be good to have a pair of dumbbells at home that we can use, because when we are able to have equipment that is within reach, we can reduce the number of obstacles or perhaps excuses not to work out. So I want to share with you what I have in the studio right now. My first favorite is this one here, which is, can you see? Yeah, this is the power block. It goes from 4.5 kg to 32 kilograms. And this one here is a newer one. This is both flags, and both sets are original. The power blocks, I have two. I have two sets. One is in my client's house, and one here. And this is the current one we have that I use most of the time. Yeah? And the beautiful thing about this, can see, the beautiful thing about this dumbbell is that when you want to change your weight, you just need to turn. Look, just turn. That's it. And you get your weight. Right side and left side. Yeah? And you know, right, the traditional way to change weights is actually to take out the plate, put new plates in, and then click on the safety collars. So that is a very quick and easier way to change the weights. Hello, Abang Syukur, how are you, sir? Yeah, let me just change it up. So this new dumbbell, so we've got the power block, we've got the both flags, and now this one is the Nuobell. So one, you change with changing the selector, using the selector to change the weight. This one, you change using the two dials on the side. And this one, you change the weights with only one hand in the center by holding on to the bar. So let's take a look. Let's unbox. It's original from the Netherlands. I hope I pronounced it correctly. Wait, before that, let me do a quick live. Let me just do a quick share with my friends in the Body Thrive chat group. Okay, hold on. Join me. Time, yeah? Okay, facebook.com/Singapore Personal Trainer. Yeah. Okay, sorry about that. I'm back. Okay. So this is the new toys all the way from Netherlands, pre-ordered through Carousel. Hi everybody. That's how it looks. Okay, Bismillah. Ooh, I don't want to break anything right now. There you go. Wow. I might have taken it off the wrong way. No, it's not. This is the stand. Okay, it's nice. Nice finishing. NÜOBELL athletics.com here. Maybe I'll just put here to see better. Okay. Masya Allah beratnya. This thing goes all the way to 32 kilograms on its side. Okay, I can't believe I'm doing this live. You all can see how difficult it is to bring this out. 32 kilograms in the box. Let me try. If I cannot use brute force, I will use my brain, which is like this. There you go. Bismillah. There we go. Alright, here it is. Bismillah. So that's how it looks like. See, here you go. Wow, it's got... It goes in increments of 2 kilograms. That looks so slick, man. That's... Ooh, looks so beautiful. MashaAllah. Okay, so in order to change this... Sorry, I'm going to kick this up the side. How are you guys? Good afternoon, good afternoon. So this is the new and high-tech dumbbells. It goes from, if I'm not mistaken, from 2 kilograms all the way to 32 kilograms depending on what you select, and everything is in here. In a typical gym, you have this weight throughout the whole wall at the side, yeah? Like a whole wall will be like, okay, from 2, 4, 6 kilograms and all. So this is all in one. And I love this because it saves me space. I'm gonna try this, bismillah. Ooh, there you go. From 30 to 30, 32 to 30, 28. I'm gonna go choose the lightest one. There you go, 2 kgs. Ready? Yeah! 2 kilograms. One-handed mode. Okay. Once I'm done, I put it back here and I change to, let's say, 10 kilograms. One hand, come up. How awesome is this? Gosh, beautiful, huh? 10 kilograms. Right, and I like the fact that it goes incrementally upwards or downwards by 2 kilograms. I'll just bring you guys closer here to take a look. Oh, excuse the mess, yeah? Where is it? Okay, here. So from here, can you see? 10. I'll just bring it up a bit. So 10 kg, one change. That's 8 kg, 6 kilograms. Let's go. So this is 18 kilograms. Yeah, watch your back, core engage, and lift up. That's 18 kilograms. Now, if I want to change it on my Bowflex, I will need to select this one first, 18. And then here I have to select 18. And this is how it looks like, a lot bulkier. That's how it looks like. I like it, but and put it back also is a little bit of a challenge. Okay. What do you guys think about this new age dumbbell that I have with me? It's like the Tesla of dumbbells. Okay. Safety first, let me just clear this up. Alright, so let's take a closer look at this thing. Can't even lift it up here. Eesh. No athletic innovation. Oh, instructions before use, which I didn't read. Place NÜOBELL in the base unit. Male and female connectors must be aligned. Okay. Slight weight by turning the handle until desired weight is centered in the window. Yes, did that. Lift the Nuobell straight up, out of the base. Once done, place Nuobell on flat surface. Try turning the handle with normal force. The handle must remain in lock position. Check the bar ends are within 5 millimeters of the selected plate. What are the bar ends? Okay. So yeah, so that's 18, 20, 22, and this is 32. Ooh. Nice, nice. Love this, love this, love this, love this. 32. Go all the way down, not all the way down, maybe go for 8 kgs. One-handed mode. How beautiful is that? Alright, that's all I want to share. A little toy, they just arrived. And I'll unbox the other one later. I don't want to bore everyone or any one of you. Now this is, of course, innovation is always good. It comes with a little bit of investment, but it saves me time, it saves me the space that's needed, and of course, it's always nice to have something new. Which reminds me, today I am stoked. I'll be conducting the Flat Tummy Shortcuts workshop at 8 o'clock. There's one today and there's one next week on Monday, 8 o'clock. If you are interested to know more about it, please do DM or PM me. Yeah, it's basically the shortcuts that my successful clients who wanted to lose weight and have lost the weight and keep it off for a long time, what kind of shortcuts they have taken and what shortcuts I have taken to keep my tummy flat. Yeah, so I'm be sharing with you guys later. The goal and the intention of this workshop is to assist you in making your journey easier to better health and better body. I think that's a good way to say it. Of course, that goes without saying, without depriving yourself of your favorite foods and without spending countless hours at the gym. Yeah, half an hour at the gym is already like a lot of time already. But of course, whatever floats your boat, if you feel that you want to spend a bit more of time in the gym, go ahead. If you want to spend less, whatever that is consistent, whatever is effective, do that, okay? Alright, thank you everyone for watching. I will be deleting this live because this is really like bopian. I'll delete it in about 24 hours time, okay? Everyone, please do take care, yeah? Bye, and God bless. Done.